Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi, and today I'm coming at you guys with a brand new video. This video is going to be a try-on haul. You guys know that's my thing. It's my signature. It's going to be a haul on holiday look. Now this is not going to be your traditional flashy holiday looks edition. No, I'm gonna give you guys some Christmas, some New Year's. I'm gonna give you what I would wear. If you like my style specifically and my fashion sense, then you're gonna see where I'm going with this. I do have more options. I have so many more pieces that I can show you, but I wanted to keep it minimal. But if you have any questions, please comment down below. Any questions you may have, comment down below if there's something you wanted to see and you didn't see it. And yeah, I'll be happy to assist you. As I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by my camera dying. Fashion Nova, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Yeah, I'm about to edit this right now, but I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Love you guys. Let's get started. Okay, first things first is this dress that I got from Fashion Nova. You guys, this is definitely like a holiday dress. It's so funny because I love green, so I actually would wear this like outside of the holiday. I think it looks so much better unbuttoned, but as you saw in the beginning, you can wear it buttoned up if you want it a little more conservative. It does go to about like past my knee. It's hard for me. I don't really have that much room here, so it's hard for me to show you, but it goes a little bit past my knee with a little split in the middle, so the buttons don't go all the way down. But you could like sew it if you really cared for that. I don't mind it. I don't mind showing a little leg. This is the back of the dress. Just very simple, nothing special. This is what it looks like. This is what I had planned to wear if my family threw like a holiday party, but we didn't. So, yeah. So this is the look. Let me get closer so you guys can see like the true color. Yeah, guys, this is the dress. I hope you guys like it. I actually really love this dress. Like I said, I love green, so it's always going to be a 10 for me, and it is velour. So keep that in mind. If you have like a texture problem, I would keep that in mind because it is velour. So yeah, next piece. All right, guys, this next item is this dress that I have right here from Fashion Nova. I love this dress. Again, forgive me for the angle, but it is super long. It goes to about like almost my ankle, but it does have this split in the middle. It has these braided detailing with some mesh. I'll turn. So cute. It does zip and clip at the top. I love this dress. I was saying that like I'm going to save this dress for Valentine's Day. I think I'm going to like sew the middle though, because I don't like this opening. It does have a braid down the middle, so I feel like I could get away with sewing the middle down and just wearing it like a regular midi dress. But let me get close so you guys can see the detailing of this dress. As you guys can see, it's very detailed, very nice, very well fitted. It is like loose in some areas, like my breasts, because my body is like weird proportioned, but I really love this dress, guys. Hope you guys do too. Again, this is what it looks like. Give you guys the full look. I'll try to insert a clip of the full length version of the dress. So I'll have it like this, and then I'll have like a full length version. But yeah, guys, this is the next look. Next piece. I really love this dress. First of all, this magenta color is to die for. It's definitely a holiday color. It's not like too Christmassy. It's just like holidays. You know what I mean? Also, I love the length. I love that it shows just enough sex appeal in the front and in the back, but it's definitely long enough to where you can still be considered like a cocktail dress, not a club dress. Definitely you would have to secure the girls. I just secured it with like a bathing suit top, but You can do boob tape. I'm allergic, so I can't do boob tape, but you can do so many other things, so many options. But this is definitely a piece that you need in your collection because, guys, I mean, come on. It's giving body. Also, the color is very complimenting to my skin. I feel like it would complement a lot of people's skin tone, but when I saw this on the model, I was like, I need that. So yeah, guys, this is the third dress. But yeah, what do you guys think? I would definitely wear this to like a New Year's event. I would accessorize like crazy. I'm talking glamour, I'm talking body chain, I'm talking big earrings, I'm talking sparkly shoes, like the whole nine. But the dress definitely speaks for itself too. All right, guys, so this next dress is giving little back dress. This next dress is definitely like a 2-4. It could be like a vacation sundress for dinner, or it could be a little black dress that you throw on with some heels and you wear it as a gown. I love this dress. I definitely love that it has the like scoop back. The fact that it plunges down my back, just it eats. Honestly, this dress eats. I absolutely love it. I was supposed to go to Brazil for New Year's, but plans have changed. I'm still doing something very fun, but I definitely would have worn this dress for New Year's in Brazil. I would have accessorized it up. Like I told you guys, I love accessories, so that would have been easy. But yeah, I just think that this dress definitely suits the vibe. I am a different type of New Year's dresser. I don't overthink my outfits. I definitely love to accessorize and I want to look good, but that's the goal, to look good. You're not trying to like outshine anybody. You're not trying to be so flashy that you look ridiculous, and you're also not trying to do something too far-fetched to where, you know, you overdo it, because it's just like when it's your birthday and everybody's looking for a birthday outfit and they overdo it. It's like, you didn't have to do that much to look good. Like, you know what looks good on you. So I'm definitely that type of girl. So I like to throw on a little black dress to make it look good, to still look, you know, presentable, to still look done up. But however, it always has a little sexy little piece to add a little spunk, a little oomph to make the outfit pop. You know what I mean? But the body is the fit. I'm not gonna lie to you. So yeah, guys, I just really love this piece. Yeah, guys, this is my last item. I'm kind of sad. I was enjoying playing dress up with you guys. So guys, that's all I have for you for this try on haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. This was really fun, you guys. Let me know any other themes you guys might want. I'm trying to come up with ideas, but let me know. You tell me what you want to see and I'll bring it to you guys. I hope you guys like this format. At least until next week, I will be doing it like this. Any videos I do, because it's the only option I have until I move into my new place. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nushi.